In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Manychat on your website in just 5 minutes. Manychat is a powerful tool for automating conversations with customers, and embedding it on your site allows you to provide a seamless chat experience for visitors. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, find the Automation tab. It might look like a small gear icon or something labeled specifically as Automations. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all the automations you have set up. If you're new to this, an automation is essentially a series of steps that Manychat executes to interact with your users, making your life easier by handling customer outreach automatically. Now, select the automation you'd like to embed on your website. This could be a welcome message, a series of FAQs, or something else you've designed to engage your visitors effectively. Next to the option that says Edit Automation, you should see a button or a drop-down menu labeled More Options. Clicking on this will reveal the Share this automation option. Select it. When you choose to share, Manychat will provide you with options tailored to your needs. Depending on your website platform, you can either use a direct link or an embed code. If your website builder allows for HTML editing or custom code insertion, you'll want to copy the embed code. Simply highlight the code provided, right-click, and select Copy. This is a small piece of code that will enable your website to execute the Manychat automation directly. Now, navigate to your web builder. Each one is different, but typically you'll need to find where you can input custom HTML or CSS, often found in a section for custom code or plugins. This might be marked as the header, footer, or simply custom HTML. Once you've located the correct section, paste the code that you copied from Manychat. Be sure to save or publish these changes to make sure they go live for your site's visitors. At this point, you can test your site to ensure the automation is functioning as intended. Visit your web page and initiate the interaction to confirm everything is running smoothly. If you encounter any issues, double-check the above steps, specifically looking for copying errors or misplaced code snippets. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Manychat onto your website, enabling you to provide an engaging and interactive experience to every visitor, making your customer interactions both efficient and impactful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to enhance your website's functionality.